I stopped the video. I just started it again. Should have just left it rolling. We're just going to keep things going, right?
Yeah.
Subs. You think that'll pick up the subs?
Yeah, so I was using the sub template.
Okay. Let's so you might have to single load those. I don't know if it'll function, bro. Make you work.
It's all right.
Earn your
Got some
coffee.
spirit law, man.
Got to earn your coffee for the day.
That's what I forgot to bring was coffee.
Okay. Ready here whenever you are.
Did not cycle. How quiet was it though?
120.6.
120.6. Wow.
Ready?
One 17 and a half.
0.5. Ready?
And 118.
Ready?
Wow, that's mil spec. The shooter's ear numbers are going to be pretty good. So that's a stock spring. It is not cycling, obviously.
120.7. Ready?
But here's the setup. You can see we have the mics. We just hold the muzzle in line with this string right on that white, and that puts it 1 meter left and right. And then we have the shooter's ear one set up. What was that last shot?
121.2.
121.2. Wow, that's pretty good. So I'll post the left and right mil spec and shooter's ear numbers for both of those. What are some of the shooter's ear numbers? Was that 3, right?
We're inside, so a little louder than normal, but shooter's ear numbers, yeah, they're only like 1 dB different or so. So we got 119.
You want to run that with 9?
Okay, I'll post all these numbers. Pretty cool.